Good morning, students. We are studying lesson 2, nutrition in animals. We are doing exercises of lesson 2. So today we will start with exercise B, answer briefly. So we will start with question number 1. So children is starting with question number 1 of exercise B, answer briefly. Question number 1 is what is bile? Where it is produced? Give its function. Children, you all know that bile is produced in the liver and it is stored in the gallbladder, and its main function is in the digestion of fats. So we will write the answer as bile. Bile is a yellowish green fluid that is made by the liver, stored in the gallbladder and passes through the common bile duct into duodenum, where it helps digest fat. The principal components of bile are cholesterol, bile salts, and the pigment bilirubin. Now the functions of bile include: the bile plays an important role in the digestion of fats. Actually, bile converts fat into tiny droplets so that their further breakdown becomes easy, and so that fats can be digested easily with the help of bile juice. Now moving on to our next question, question number 2. List the various steps in the process of nutrition. So children, you all know that as the food eaten consists of complex substances such as carbohydrates and proteins, these are broken down in the animal body to utilize the nutrients. So this process is known as nutrition. The food eaten by animals undergoes 5 steps. What are these? Ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, and what is ingestion? The process by which food is taken inside the body of an organism is called ingestion. Second one is digestion. The food taken in is solid and complex. The process of converting or breaking down complex food into simple and soluble form is called digestion. Third one is absorption. It is the process by which the digested nutrients are taken to different parts of the body by the circulatory system. That means through blood. Number 4 is assimilation. It is the process of using absorbed food molecules for producing energy and growth. Number 5 is egestion. The process of removing undigested food materials from the body is called egestion. So we will write the answer as: there are 5 steps in the process of nutrition in animals. These are ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, and egestion. Now there is a flow chart shown on the right hand side. You have to draw this flow chart in your notebook on the left hand side on the blank page. So children, now we move on to question number 3. What are these? Name the 4 different types of teeth found in humans and give their functions. So children, you all know that teeth are located in our jaws, both lower and upper, in the mouth cavity. They are fixed to the gums. Based on the structure and functions, teeth are of 4 types: incisors, canines, premolars, and molars. There are 16 teeth in each jaw, with a total of 32 teeth in the mouth cavity. However, in young people, there are a total number of 8 molars in all. The second set of 4 molars develops at the age of 18 or more. These are called the wisdom teeth. So in this answer, children, you have to draw the table in which first column is serial number, second column is types of teeth, and third column is function. So number 1 is incisor. Incisors, teeth located in front, and the function of incisors is cutting and biting food. Second one is canines. Sharp teeth on other side of incisors. Piercing and tearing food is its main function. Premolars on either side of canines. Function is chewing and grinding food. And the last one is molars on either side of premolars, and their main function is chewing and grinding food. So in this question, children, you also have to draw the diagram in which the structure of different types of teeth are shown, and also the arrangement of teeth in the human mouth. So you have to draw this figure on the left hand side of your notebook, means on the left hand side. You will write the answer on the right hand side and you will draw the diagram on the left hand side. So children, your assignment for today is write all the question answers in your notebook and learn them also. Do all the question answers in your notebook. Okay, thank you children.